Phew, this is hard work. I don't believe it. This is an amazing discovery. Gently does it. This is a perfect example of Roman pottery. I'll be famous. I need to keep it somewhere safe. Oh, this shelf will do. It's so beautiful.
Time to clean. There's dust everywhere. Huh? What's this cup doing here? It's so old and grubby. But I know how to fix this. Place the cup upside down. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and scrunch it into a ball. Apply a small dab of glue to the aluminum ball. Then stick it to the base of the cup. Add 3 more balls to the base. Shape more aluminum foil like this and stick to the side of the cup. And stick a large strip of foil to the other side. Now cover the foil in colored glue. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Cover the cup with glue as well. Start at the rim of the cup and let the glue flow down. When the glue sets, you'll have something that looks like this. Don't forget to add a smiley face. Now that's much better.
Hey, have you seen my artifact? It was a small cup. It looked really old.
Oh, I fixed that. See?
You're kidding. My life's work. Ruined.
You don't like it?
My greatest creation! Hi, love what you've done with the place. Oh, I have something special for you. Oh, a pen. This is no ordinary pen. I've already got a laser pen. Drat! Okay, what about this? Looks like lipstick, but watch! Huh? Impressive, right? Dude, I got that last year. Okay, tough customer. Let me think. Oh, I know.
Can we speed this up?
They show everything! Seriously? Look at them. I can't use these. What am I gonna do? I know. I have this. Place the broken glasses on a flat surface. Use the 3D pen to create a bond across the bridge of the glasses. Continue to apply plastic across the frame of the glasses. Then repeat this on the top of the frame. Once that's done, attach the leg. And use the 3D pen on it. Do this all over the leg. You would never know they were broken. Ahem. I fixed them. Pretty stylish, huh? Oh, let me try them. Well, what do you think? You can keep them. But… oh, I get it.
Are you almost finished?
Yep, it's pretty much done.
Great. Wait. Someone's gonna freak out when she sees this cat.
Hello? Anybody home?
What? Sorry. I'm freaking out.
Okay. Deep breaths.
Thanks. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. Get a rubber mold like this and stuff it with colorful gummy bears. I'm choosing a bunch of different hues. Put them all the way around the band. Then carefully pour epoxy resin over the bears. And fill it to the top. It's ready to wear. And isn't it just the cutest? And it covers my tattoo perfectly. All good. You're covering it? Whatever. Betty, you're home. Hi, Mom.
Huh?
Oh, a tattoo?
Oh, that one's small compared to mine. See?
Whoa! You're the best!
Like mother, like daughter.
A teeny tiny round of applause! It never gets old. Look at all this. Handcuffs? Yikes.
Oh, I don't want these around here.
Anyway, I don't remember buying these.
In they go.
Nail polish? Don't eat it. That's good for this box. All done.
Oh, what died over here?
That nap was refreshing.
More stuff?
Cute. But I need more. What's in this bad boy?
Whoa!
Yeah, right.
Nail polish? I definitely could use some of this. Manicure time! But not the kind you're used to. This time we're decorating the fingers. See that stripe of paint? Let it sit and dry. And put it under the UV light. Shouldn't take too long. Now slide it off and get to the fun part. Decorating! A fine brush like this works best. Isn't this heart so adorable? It may take a minute, but it'll be worth it. See? Now you have a new ring. Or two. Breathe through the mouth. Huh? So fabulous. Those rings are seriously pretty. These? I'll pay for them. You first. You! Okay, fine. Yay! I'm rich! I can wash them. What? You guys want more rings? You can see we have many beautiful flowers. Sorry. As I was saying, your job will be to care for them. Ooh, so pretty. This one is so cute. Oops! Phew, that was close. Are you paying attention? Good. Follow me. The watering can is over there. Wow, such responsibility. This seems easy enough. Don't water them too much. Got it. Oh no! Look at this mess. Clean it up. Absolutely. You can count on me. What do we have here? I want you to take this pot and clean it. Oops! And breathe. I'm so sorry. I'm trying my best. This doesn't look good. Although, I think I know a way to make things better. There's no need to throw out this plant pot. Just grab a 3D pen. Start by drawing down the side of the pot. Apply the plastic at the very edge of the plant pot. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Almost there. Once that's done, create a strand of plastic from one side of the split to the other. We want to join both sides up. Perfect! Next, start to draw lines across the pot. Then start to fill it. This may take some time, but it'll be worth it. Again, try not to leave any big gaps. Now, fill in any cracks using the 3D pen. This will stop the crack from spreading and add strength to the bond. Now to add some color. What a difference! Hi. Oh my. This is satisfactory. Don't break anything else. Got it! Sorry. What a great sleep! Hey! It's my birthday! Happy birthday to me! Now, what should I do? I know. It's in here somewhere. Aha! My decorations! Gotta have that birthday atmosphere. Something's not right. Hey! How's it going, buddy? I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Huh? Close them! Ta-da! A balloon? For me? It's wonderful! Well, it is a special day. I'm gonna hang it on the wall. Although, I have an idea. I need my 3D pen. Check this out. Inflate a balloon and start to draw around it with a 3D pen. Create loops around the balloon. Keep circling the balloon until it's covered. Once that's done, take a pair of scissors and cut off the end of the balloon. Once the balloon has deflated, gently remove it from the cage. Then, place fairy lights inside the cage. Now we have some party lights! I'll hang it right here. It looks so cozy. I love it! It's better than a trash can fire. Let's celebrate. I'll get rid of this mess. I've got the cups. I'll set the mood. And we need a cake. Time for my birthday wish. Huh? What happened? It's the wind! It's okay. It's just the weather. I spoke too soon! Happy birthday! Think you'd be good at this challenge? Would you be better with a glue pen or a Pancake Pro? Let us know. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more awesome content!